energy as a service or infrastructure as a service comes down to not just having a vendor or a supplier provide a solution, but looking at it from more of a holistic view. So help with the strategy, delivering a solution, executing that. But what makes energy as a service matter is it's focused on the outcome you're going to deliver. As our clients engage us, we focus really hard on what is the outcome you're trying to deliver, because that's really what you're purchasing. If you're in an as a service model, you're not purchasing the actual solution itself. You could do that yourself. You're purchasing an outcome, whether that's improved resiliency, whether that's revenue protection, whether that's just risk insurance. And that's what I think makes as a service unique.